Welcome to this stunning 2-bedroom plus den Gardini model in the Isles of Collier Preserve. This home is absolutely impeccable and has many upgrades, including a propane tank that allows for gas cooking, a rare find in Naples, quartz counters, upgraded appliances, hurricane impact windows, saltwater pool and spa, newly painted interior and exterior, plantation shutters, and so much more. The floor plan is open and spacious, and it shows like a model home. It's situated on a corner lot that is very private and also offers a lake view. The outdoor space offers an outdoor kitchen, outdoor living area, and a large lanai to enjoy the Florida weather. The Isles of Collier is one of Naples' most sought-after neighborhoods. It's just 4 miles to downtown Naples. Quick drive to the award-winning white sand beaches. Isles residents enjoy a resort-style pool where you'll feel like you're on vacation every day, an on-site restaurant, state-of-the-art fitness center, canoe kayak launch, tennis, pickleball, an active social calendar, and more. This is the lowest priced pool home in the Isles of Collier, and it is priced to sell.